my most awesome artist. Today we are going to be drawing, so you're circling drawing, and we're going to be just using a pencil today. If you want to try this, feel free. And I am going to show you how to create 3D shapes. We can create lights, darks, just using one color. So it's learning off of what we did with the value. And you're gonna make something look realistic, and we're also gonna learn how to use a kneaded eraser. So I'm going to make a sphere look 3D, or if it's not 3D, it's simply a circle. So I'm gonna make a circle look 3D, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick the area of where the light is hitting on my sphere, and I'm gonna lightly draw the little highlight area within my circle. Now, what I'll do all around that then is I will start coloring, going in a circular pattern, darker. But remember, we don't want to go too dark at first, so you're going to do it lightly. You can do this with a colored pencil too, but I'm going to try it with a pencil first because pencil erases easier than colored pencil. And you'll find out why that's important in a little bit because I'm going to teach you how to use a kneaded eraser. So it's darker on the edges, and then as I go in, it's gonna get lighter. Lighter, 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 lighter. And if it's not looking right at first, that's okay, just work with it. Sometimes it takes a little. Notice I'm starting to get lighter as I go in. And if I make a mistake, I can erase. Or what I can also do, oh, way too dark, is I can take my finger and smudge that color. And you see how I'm smearing it and now I'm creating more value that way? That's another way I can create value. Really drawing lightly with this pencil here now. Now I shouldn't see those lines, so I'm gonna keep working this, or maybe I don't wanna keep working with it, and what I can do is I can take a kneaded eraser. A kneaded eraser means it can be kneaded or moved to make a shape. So if I don't wanna erase this whole sphere, what I can do is I can twist it so that I have a smaller part, and I can erase a tiny bit a lot easier than I could eraser like this. I can control what I'm erasing a lot easier than I can with an eraser like that. Now this isn't the most perfect sphere, so I would just keep working with this to make it look more realistic, or I could drop in a shadow too. So since it's gonna be darker on this side, I think my light is shining in from here, and I'm gonna drop in a shadow. It's gonna be really dark underneath. And it's gonna start to get lighter, and I'm gonna use my finger to smear or smudge that a little bit more because shadows don't have very sharp lines or edges. So that's an example, not the best. I would take my time, like I said, and make this really look more like a sphere. Let me show you an example where Miss Miller took her time a lot more. Now this took me 5 minutes, so think about how long it should take you too. So if you look at this picture here, you can see where I use value very nicely. Have fun!